Welcome to project-based Microsoft Office with ChatGPT and Gemini, a hands-on journey where productivity meets artificial intelligence. In this program, we'll move beyond theory and dive straight into 18 real-world projects. It's designed to help you master Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoints while harnessing the power of AI tools like ChatGPT and Gemini. Let's start with word projects. And in projects 1, you will create a clean, branded company profile documents using word styles, heading, and a table of content, while ChatGPT generates the base content and Gemini refines the languages. Next, in project 2, you will prepare an academics research report complete with citations, references, and cross references, blending AI summarize with professionals formatting. Then you will move on to project 3, where you will build a full policy and procedures manual with advanced formatting, multi-level lists, and sections breaks. And you will also design smart business assistants from our proposals templates packed in project 4 to our collaborative editing simulations in project 5, where you will explore real world teamworks using comments, trackings, and AI assisted grammar checks. Finally, you will automate your workflow with project 6, creating a reusable reports generators powered by AI written summaries. Then we move into Excel projects or where you will work on everything from cleaning and formatting sales data to automating pricing sheets with ChatGPT, returns, formulas, and you will build dashboards, visuals reports, and trackers, integrating AI to analyze and summarize data like a pro. And finally, in PowerPoint, you will bring it all together, designing professional speech decks, workshops, presentations, and animated product launch slides from storyboardings to AI in slide writings. And you will see how ChatGPT and Gemini can make presentations design faster, smarter, and more impactful. By the end of this course, you won't just know Microsoft Office, you will be able to use it like a modern professionals powered by AI. So let's begin our journey and transform the way you work, one project at a time.